Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today we're looking at the D sound. Can you make the D sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth just a little bit. Next, place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth behind your upper front teeth. Then, let out a puff of air while you make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. Are you ready? D. D. Now we'll practice a few words with the D sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Dog. Ladder. Slide. The D sound can be spelled with the letter D as in dog, DD as in ladder, or DE as in slide. Well done. Great job. Ellii.